Hello fitness enthusiasts. Today we're delving into the barbell row, an essential exercise for building a strong and well-defined back. Stick around as we walk you through the proper form step by step. Start by placing a loaded barbell on the ground. Stand with your feet about hip width apart, toes pointing forward. Bend at your hips and knees to grip the barbell with an overhand grip. Hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Maintain a straight back, engage your core and let the bar hang directly in front of you. Your arms should be fully extended. This is your starting position. Take a deep breath, tighten your core and pull the barbell towards your lower chest by retracting your shoulder blades. Keep your elbows close to your body as you lift. Squeeze your back muscles at the top of the movement. Control the descent of the barbell back to the starting position. Allow your arms to fully extend without locking your elbows. Keep your back straight throughout the movement to maximize engagement. Perform the desired number of repetitions, exhaling as you pull the bar up and inhaling as you lower it down. Focus on the quality of each rep rather than rushing through the set. There you have it, the barbell row. A fantastic exercise for building a strong back. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, keep rowing strong.